Okay guys, it's Friday morning, 6 a.m. packed, ready to go to the Ga Bushcraft Fall Gathering in Watkinsville, Georgia. We'll be pulling out here in a few minutes. Can't wait to get up there and get camp set up. My first class is at 11 o'clock.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Okay, we're coming into town of Monticello, where one of my favorite movies of all time was filmed, My Cousin Vinny. It's just a nice little country southern town is all it is. There's the courthouse. It was in My Cousin Vinny right there. Pretty cool, ain't it? Courtyard, the town, beautiful little place. We're here, now we're gonna find a camping spot and set up base camp for the next 2 nights and 3 days. Okay, we got base camp set up. Fix to go to our first class. It's knife foraging.
Here on this Friday morning for our Fall Gathering 2023. Thank you guys so much for being here. We got a lot of new vendors, a lot of new faces. Guys, make the round, shake hands, go and shop at all of these new amazing companies that have heard about us from near and far. Make new friends. You have found your people. We are here. We are your tribe. We got.
We use 60 grit up to 2,000 grit. If you ever heat treat it, you're going to have to put your holes in for your handle material. Now this is a upper class knife example because of the boasters and the types of pins they used on it. Once you've heat treated it, then you would finish your grind. Now I'm going to hot cut it right across here and start from the start of the blade. Now this will be the cutting edge. This is counterintuitive because you're moving metal instead of removing metal. So, and there's a lot more steel there. It doesn't look like much. You can visualize it in your head. You start slicing away metal. You take half that metal away. Is that right? You put it side by side. And that's what you can do with a hammer. You can't do it on the grinder. But you can do it with a hammer. You can move metal anywhere you want. That's the straw that works the power out of it. Right now, all I'm doing is just kind of rounding that top end up. Now I'm going to preset this curve just a little bit. The reason I do that is as I force that thing out, it's going to go back the other way.
I wish we had boat racks.
Laura's to Marbles to Weatherford's. We got Benchmade Microtech, the new re-8s that came out. Whole table of Essie and a whole table of Condor.
Whole table of Essie knives. I love Essie knives too. I have the Essie 5.
Yep.
That's a beast, man. It's a great little knife.
That's what I got in my back pocket too.
Really? What?
All orange.
Yeah, that's so
I can't lose it.
So nice, man.
Nathan's ferro rods can shoot sparks when the wind's not blowing at me 6 feet away.
Wow. Very cool. Just picked up a sheath for a little slip joint pocket knife. $10. Awesome. Okay, I got my base camp set up. I just walked the vendor area. A lot of overwhelming stuff. Just a bunch of knives. But I'm gonna go through a little bit of my my tent here, which I'm in a Gazelle tent, a T4. But there's my cot there. It's kind of a U, but it'll flatten out once I lay down. Got my Jackery 300 here. I use that for my cell phones. I got my Jackery 1500. I'm running my refrigerator all weekend on that. You can see I got some good stuff in there. Eggs and bacon and some sandwich meat. But yeah, this is my home away from home. This Gazelle tent is an awesome tent. If y'all are looking into starting tent camping, this is a great investment. It's about $400, I think. It ain't real bad. It beats buying a camper, put it that way. And best thing about it, stand up in it. I'm 5'10", and you can tell I'm nowhere near the top. So it's got plenty of headroom in it, and that's what I like. You can stand up in it, get dressed, plenty of airflow. Okay, guys, I just made this medicine bag to hang around your neck. That's pretty cool, ain't it? From one of the classes. Really enjoying it. Hey guys, this is an Alpicool. It can, it's very nice refrigerator, cooler. It can go down to 0 degrees. I think it's -2, the best, but I've got it set. Let's see. Yeah, I've got it set at 34. I just opened it up, but as you see, it's got plenty of room. It's even got lights that come on in here. See the light there at night? You can see, but it's got a lot of room. But I'm not endorsed by nobody. I don't get paid by Alpicool, but I bought it for my camping trip back in July, and I absolutely love this thing. And believe it or not, it don't use that much power. Let's see, it's only outputting 1 watt right now. It's only using 1 watt of power. This is the Jackery 1500, and it wasn't fully charged. It was about like 74% when I started today. But this thing runs it perfectly. But it's Alpicool. Reading nothing.
Stop trouble. The rumor is you're gonna sell stuff this weekend. What? You selling stuff?
Miss Jessica has made a rumor of stuff.
Look at this. This is a set Utica. You can change out the blades in this thing. See what he wants for it. Hey, what you want for this set here, bro?
What I got on it?
Oh, I didn't see.
40.
Okay.
I go 30 on it.
You would?
Yeah.
I'll take it.
It's cool, isn't it?
It is.
It's missing one blade, whatever that is.
Sharp, Work Sharp for all of your knife sharpening needs. Go to WorkSharp and WorkSharp.com. All right, guys, we got a lot of 2. You get to pick your sharpener. Ticket number 8951. 8951. Shane Adams and Essie, thank you so much, Essie Knives. We appreciate all of Essie's support over these several years. We have been giving away amazing Essies. Thank you so much, Shane and company. And a sweet hat. Is this the winner, Casey? Is that one? What about this one? Oh, it says my name. How about ticket number 7173? 7173.
Guys, that completes day 1 of Georgia Bushcraft event. It's currently about 36 degrees. It's cold. I've been to hit the rack. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Today and not tomorrow.